The following is brought to you by paulakers.net.
This is an amazing story about Dimitri, who takes care of my beautiful yards and does a spectacular job. I trained him very, very carefully, but honestly, he didn't need a lot of training because he got the whole lean thing at the highest level. He's even read all 5 of my books. He sent me a video today because he went to Home Depot and bought some things. And you want to talk about banishing sloppiness and falling in love with precision? Check out the way this young man thinks.
Hey Paul, here's a lean shopping tip. So I'm at the Home Depot, and when I put all the items in the cart, I put all the barcodes facing up. So when I'm in the self-checkout with the scan gun, I can easily scan everything super fast, and I have to flip around the boxes and try to find that barcode. So it's a much faster system.
Needless to say, I am very lucky to have him taking care of my yard. And you know what? He's even marrying one of my top employees' daughters. Isn't he lucky to have a son-in-law that's this dialed in? Debt-free, has his own business. He's about 25, 26 years old, and he's a phenomenal lean thinker and an extraordinary gardener.
Brought to you by paulakers.net, where you'll find all Paul's books and lean resources for free, including the new 2-second Lean Play app, like Audible, but free. To listen to Lean is Lean on the 2-second Lean Play app at paulakers.net.